This drive tool works off locking dogs, as you can see, locked and unlocked. This window, of course, is very handy for when you're snapping onto the pile. You can push the pile into this window and let it in. But in the case of driving combo piles, most guys cut this window off this way to keep it from hanging up on the transition piece. This is a close-up of the locking dogs. If you can see, as I let those in, that they're tapered, and that taper should always point downward. If somebody turns that thing around and gets that taper turned the other way, it won't work correctly. All right, just like with a square shaft, you have to neutralize the torque before it'll lift off. Watch right here. And there it is.